Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video we'll be talking about Bitcoin analysis. We'll be talking about the current levels and the expected price, where we expect price to move to, whether we expect price to fall or price to rise. We're going to be analyzing it for you guys today, and so that you're able to have in mind where the next possible movement Bitcoin will do. And before we continue in this video, we'll be like you to tell you that if you haven't subscribed to this channel before, and please kindly subscribe now, and don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and also don't forget to join our Telegram group. The link is in the description if you want free analysis on Bitcoin, on other altcoins. You're free to join the channel. No fees attached. So let's continue in this video. So this is the Bitcoin chart. Let's start with the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly, this is the weekly chart. Let's just move to the current part. That's what we are concerned about, the current area of the chart. And if you look at it on the weekly chart, price, let me pick up this. So price came down to this area, then price pushed back to this point, then price pushed back to this area, but this particular low high was unable to break this point. So price pushed up again, and then price pushed down. So this whole move was just a one leg move. So, and because this is just a minor, this is just a sub range, so, and a minor range, so this is just a one leg move, and then price push up again currently to this point. Do you understand me? So now, but during the process of the minor range we have, price broke this high. So but this high is not a major high. So this is the major high to be looking at, where price is currently. Do you understand me? So if you understand structure very well, I guess you understand what I'm saying. So this is the high we should be looking at currently, not this high. So we broke this high on the let me just say on a short level or short term level, we are bullish. But if you're looking at it on the major levels, we are not yet bullish until we break this particular high. Do you understand? So we are not yet bullish until we break this particular high. Sorry. Sorry. So we are not able to break this particular high. So price tested this high initially, pushed down a little bit, and then why did the price push up from here? Let's look at it. Let's remove this. Let's go to our daily time frame now. So what I'm trying to say on a weekly time frame is that we need to break this high to remain bullish, and if price rejects this high, then there's a high probability might be targeting this low, or we break this low. So let's continue before we can say we are targeting this low or we are going to the next level. Let's first look at the daily time frame and let's see what actually happened there. If you look at on the daily time frame, I know price pushed down from here to this point, because you can see price push up to this point, as you can see also, and this small high was unable to break this low. This pullback was unable to break this low. So price push up to this point, and then there was a break. So like I said, it's still a single move. Can you see on same thing repeats on a daily time frame? So what happened again? Then price push up. Price gave us, since the last low we have here, so there was a minor and a sub range in between this region, and price broke them and shifted bullish on the minor and the sub range, that is within the major range between this high and this high. So now price has tested this particular high again, which is this same weekly level, and in which if price is able to break above, we will say that we're looking at the area. So now price, for the first time price tap into the region, price pull back. So why did the price pull back to that area? Let me remove this and look at the current range also. So we have known already that that's the this is what they call it, the weekly high and the daily high. So so within the range, the major high and the major low, between those range, what has happened? Can you see that price was shifting bullish? Do you understand? And don't forget why trading always play along with the trend. Do you understand? Price gave a nice retracement, price break above. Can you see? Price push back to this point, price break above again, price price push back again, and price break above again. Now I guess we have seen the reason why price actually respected this particular low. Do you understand? This particular range here, you can see the reason, because when price tap into this region, price push back and broke it. So the move that broke this particular high was this other block we have here. That is, was this range. The old range we have here was the one that broke this particular high, this high here. So that means for this price to remain bullish on this daily time frame, price needs to respect this particular low, and in which price tap into it and respected it, and price push up. So that's how the price was able to respect this particular sorry so that price was able to respect this particular demand region and then push above. Now price has broken this particular high again. Do you understand? So that means for this price to remain bullish on daily time frame, price needs to protect this particular low. Do you understand? So this is what I'm saying. So for the price to remain bullish on this daily time frame, price needs to protect this low, except if we created another low again, or if we created another range again in between this area, and then price push up. Then if price to break it, then you can see we have turned or shifted bearish. Now some people might be looking at well, this was the low actually, we shifted bearish here. But if you look at it, price push up from here to this point, this is a wick, and the price was unable to break the wick at all on this 8 time frame. Can you see? It was just a clear of liquidity. It was just a wick to the upside, just more like liquidity grab, then price pushed down. So this is still the major low on the daily time frame, which price needs to respect for it to remain bullish. So now here we are currently. Now let me remove this. Okay, so now price is here currently. Now this is it. If price, that's by the head of today, and if you look at it on the daily time frame, actually price has broken this high. This move has broken this high. So this show the sign of strength of bullishness on the daily time frame. But weekly time frame, price needs to break this range, that is this high, for us to be bullish, because on the weekly time frame we are still bearish, like I explained in the beginning of this video. So but if price is able to break this, it's very nice, not a rejection, not a weekly liquidity grab. You understand what I mean? So if price was able to break it, then we remain bullish on the weekly time frame. Then we will be targeting the next level. Let me quickly check it back. Let's look at it back. So if price is able to break this high, then where we should be targeting will be around this area, which is between 29,000 to 32,000. So before that area on weekly time frame, you might be looking at where do we have any level before that on daily time frame, which if you look at daily time frame, we don't really have. It's just like an imbalance that we have. So if price was able to break this area, there's high probability that price will come and test between 29,000 and $32,500 level. So that's for that actually. And if price should fail to break this above on the weekly time frame, and price will push back, then maybe go ahead and break this low, then we shifted bearish again, and on the daily time frame we shifted bearish, and the price might continue to go lower until price is proving otherwise again. So So that's an analysis we have on ground for you guys today. So the levels we'll be looking at is this particular important high. If price is able to break this high, then we have broken the weekly high, in which the price has shifted bullish, in which might be looking for more upward move. And if price actually fails to break this high, then we might see some rejection and basing price retracing backward, maybe testing this particular low on the daily time frame. And if this particular low is able to hold it for it to remain bullish, then I see price bouncing up again and going up. But if unable, then I see price going down. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more video like this on this channel, and God bless you all. And don't forget, like I said, you can join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.